All right, so we're going to play this game called Escape the Vortex, but it's not going to be just a game here. We're going to try to do some problem solving here as well, using a game here. The goal of this is to communicate well your strategy and your learning process. And so make sure your communication is clear and shows your reasoning. So we're going to play this game, and every time we make a turn, we're going to record what our move is, how many steps we're going to take, what the computer does, and how many steps it is to the finish. We're going to start off with 32 steps to the finish here. And if we go to the game now, we're right here in the middle, and we're going to try to beat the computer to this X spot here. And so I'm going to start off with, I've got a choice if I can do 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 steps. I can do anywhere from 1 to 5 steps is the rule. And so I'm going to choose one of those. So I'm going to start choosing 2 steps here as my first goal here. So if I choose 2 here, then what does the computer do? The computer takes 1 more and has now, we've basically subtracted 3 of the steps to get to the finish. So if I go back to where I'm going to do my recording, I did 2 steps, the computer did 1. I'm going to do 32 minus those 3, and now I'm at 29 steps to go. Okay, and then I'm going to keep doing that and see what happens here. The next one here, this time I'm going to choose 5. And what does the computer do? The computer does 3 more. After that, I chose 5, the computer did 3. And so I'm going to go back here. I chose 5, the computer did 3. That means we took 8 from 29, and now we're at 21 steps to go. All right, so we're going to keep on doing this, and then whoever gets to that X first, me or the computer, is going to win. And then I'm going to write, what did I learn? Okay, usually the computer beats us the first few times at least in there. And what you're going to do is try to figure out what did you learn. There is math involved in this, and you're going to try to figure out the strategy. Feel free to do lots of different attempts. So there's many, many attempts here for you to take and to get there. And you'll try to do as much as you can. Once you've been able to figure out the game and be able to win, you're going to basically explain it. And then we're going to go to part 2, where the strategy will change.